Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna do, I guess another thing with the BioLite stove here, or camp stove. I'm gonna try to cook some kebabs using the grill. So it's my first time using it to cook anything. So I had to put some pellets, some wood pellets inside. You're gonna have near the top here. You're gonna have two rings of holes. I filled it up just to the bottom row of the double row of rings. So, and I put some, I guess, fire starter on top, and I'm just gonna put the powder on also. It's a bit on the outside, so. So I'm basically just gonna keep the grill off until I see that the pellets have caught fire, and then once the pellets catch fire, I'll just put the grill on and wait a few minutes until the grill heats up, and then I'll put the food on to cook. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Hello everyone, I'm back now. I had put the grill on, so when the wood chips, I guess, start to catch fire, at the same time it'll heat up the grill. So looks like the flame caught and it's doing well. So I'm not gonna touch the flap here with my bare finger. I've got like another glove, which, like that, you just close it. Over here, you can see that the flame light is on. The bar is almost towards the top. There's that small finger inside that I mentioned about for to get the electricity. So I guess at the moment, some kebabs. So it looks like it's just gonna fold two at a time. I'm using metal skewers, and I found it a bit awkward to use tongs, so that's another reason why you use the other glove, just to move it around with the skewers instead of using tongs. And I noticed the metal skewers get really hot, so that's why I'm using the left glove just to move them around. I find it easier that way. So the kebabs on the barbecue, when I was doing it, I would wait 30 seconds, and I would turn it over both sides, but I would constantly turn it over every 30 seconds. But with this here, since the flame's coming from this side, looks like every so often I'll have to move this here to this side, and then move this over here, just so it catches some of the heat a bit more. So normally I would cook these on the barbecue about 5 to 7 minutes after turning it every so often. But on this here, I'm not sure how long it's going to take, so I'll try to time it one time, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes to cook them. just a bit cold outside. It's still some snow on the ground, so it's like the second week of March. So just playing around with the fan speed a bit for the heat. So. And also, if you see that the heat bar is getting too high, you can just lower the fan speed, and the heat bar will go down a bit. Because if it gets too hot for too long a period of time, supposedly shuts off for a bit until it cools down. So you can basically just check the heat up there, check your heat bar, and just adjust the fan speed with the power button also. Right, so I'm back again. So it looks like it basically takes about 10 minutes to about 10 minutes to cook them. And I want to keep the camera running for the full 10 minutes because I didn't think there was much to say while it's cooking, and I didn't think you guys would want to just sit there and watch while it's cooking. So I'm just going to take these two off, put on 2 new ones. And what I'll do every once in a while is just take a look inside here just to see how the wood's doing. If you're not using wood pellets and you're using sticks or something else, you'll just have to open the flap and just take a look and just re-add more as you need. So to cook two kebabs, it took about 10 minutes. It might have gone a bit faster if it was a bit warmer outside. I'm not sure if that actually makes a difference or not. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later on. Bye bye.